That's totally normal. Your iPhone 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, or iPhone 17 stopping at 80% while charging is a built-in battery protection feature, not a defect. Apple's optimized battery charging settings recommend charging your iPhone up to 80%, but you can still charge it all the way to 100% if you wanna. Let's remove the charging limit first. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll to Battery. Now scroll down and tap on Charging, then set the charging limit to 100% on your iPhone. Confirm it by tapping Set Limit to 100% in the pop-up. If you only want to change this for one day, select the Allow Until Tomorrow option. Next, disable the optimized battery charging toggle and turn it off completely if you want to stop this feature all the time. In other cases, Apple uses optimized charging and temperature control to reduce heat and extend battery lifespan. That's why your iPhone may stop charging at 80%. I've explained all those cases in the full tutorial. In most situations, charging automatically resumes to 100% when conditions are safe or when it's closer to your unplugged time. That's it. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for new video updates.